You can smile.
Mom, stop.
What is it?
It's mold. Is this too deep? It's mold.
I don't think it's mold. So this tree is attached because that's weird. What is that?
Dad told me it was mold. Whatever looks like that, it's mold.
I don't know. I don't think so because it's fuzzy. I don't know. That's
That what happened to Dad microgreens. There was mold on it. That what it felt like.
yeah. Those had to get tossed. It's too cold. I'll have to look that up because I don't know what that is.
Not for the wall?
You like that one? It smell good?
Mm-hmm.
Let me smell it. Oh wow. Here, let's let the people on the camera smell it. Smells good. Ah! What you got? Oh, it's a little ladybug. So precious. Got my little ladybug. Let's put her on the milkweed.
Hey, Mom.
Yeah,
Come here.
I'm coming.
Mom.
Yeah. Whoa, that was cool. Do that trick again. That was awesome. Thank you.
Finished with plant.
That's beautiful. Thank you. Good job. It looks a little crooked though.
Yeah.
Can we straighten her up a bit? Good job. I'll step on the edges now in a minute and give her a little bit of strength. Very good. Good job, bud.
Thanks.
All right, let's go plant another one. What you doing?
Lightning sticks?
All right, you gonna make a fire?
Yeah.
Sounds good.
You got it. Don't give up. You need some new boots.
See that?
I think that's a red-tailed cat. Two-thread tail?
What is it called?
A red-tailed catbird.
Is it?
Like I said,
Oh, I see it.
red-tailed catbird.
Oh, good job. Good eye. Let's check on these mulberries.
Okay, let's check on these mulberries.
Look at this, guys. Oh my goodness. So right here at this stage, they're kind of just, they're very hard and red. But this one right here, this one actually, see how this is not really getting off super easily? Okay, that's tart but good. I usually pick them when they're a lot darker and when they fall off like this. Much more sweet. Much more sweet. It's so refreshing. It's like watery but good. And I'm not a huge berry person. Like, I like blackberries. I'm not a huge fan of raspberry. Maybe like in a drink or so, like a lemonade or something. But these are different. There's a, it's just life. I don't know. It's really good, guys. This is the dwarf ever-bearing mulberry. I have a, what is it called? I think a wonder or world's best mulberry or something like that I'm trying to grow right now for this year. Let's see. I haven't planted that yet, and I kind of want to do it in the backyard because it's not a dwarf variety, and these plants do get very big. Here, let me turn the camera on.
So
to show
that's
you.
a dwarf one as well, and it's pretty tall. So I can't even imagine that world's best mulberry. Has anybody grown that? Does anybody know how big that gets?
This one's much more manageable, even though it's quite tall. The birds enjoy it, and the little critters. Tell me that's not beautiful. Look at that. God's creation, literally just there at your fingertips. Food. Grow food, guys, not lawns. Almost done?
Almost. Just trying to get all the little bit.
Let's see.
What is that?
Looks like roots. Okay, so I would go ahead and take a little bit more out of right here, just this side here, and we should be ready.
That was not roots.
Good. You need my help?
There's a little rock in the way.
Okay. Just let me know. Maybe you found some treasure. You need my help, honey?
Nope.
Okay. You're doing great. Don't give up.
Big one.
Dig around it with your hands if you want.
There.
Oh. Let's see.
Whoa.
It's pretty.
This is one of the shiny ones.
It's quite lovely.
See? See that?
It's pretty.
I get all the dirt off.
All
After
right.
we get all the dirt off, it's gonna be way more shiny.
All right, let's finish that hole.
That was too wobbly.
That's okay. All right, I think that's good. Just take that out and go grab your plant.
Okay. Dirt out. It's so hard to get all the dirt out.
All right, go get your plant. Did you get a little grub?
No? That was in there.
What's that?
I don't know. Spider.
It's okay. Where's the spider? On my phone. I see you. Hold on. It's fine.
That's
What is it?
really weird.
I don't know what that is. Maybe an old rock or something.
Or treasure, like you said.
All right, grab your plant.
Let's go.
So you're gonna tilt her over. Tilt it. And then squeeze your bucket a little bit. Squeeze it around to release the pressure of some of those roots. And then try to tilt it upside down. Your sister will help. Big sisters are awesome.
But
Okay. So I think it's kind of low, okay? So Marie, go ahead and lift up the plant. Alice, put some dirt back in when she lifts it.
Okay.
Okay. Wait for her to put it nice and even. Okay, so put it straight and then go ahead and fill her up. That seems good. Go ahead. Thank you, Marie, for your help. That is a lovely tree. That is the Tipuchina tree. I don't know which kind it is. We got it at the flea market for $2.99. Tongalicious. Nope. All right, sorry. So no, not $2.99. We got it for $10, which I thought was a really good price. And hopefully it'll get nice and big. I tried growing Tipuchina before unsuccessfully, so hopefully this time around it'll be much better. Beautiful. Good job, girls. Very nice.
I want to get that.
Teresa, what you doing? What are you doing up there? She's having a little sun bath.
oh, I thought she was saying no reception.
Cool. All right. So that Tipuchina looks great. She's very pretty. Hopefully it grows well.
These are the walks when they look like the washed off. Not really good washed off. I think this is just walks, but with spray paint on them. 'Cause I don't know, but
Has anybody ever found anything like that in the dirt?
nope,
I
I don't think so.
Cool. All right, you can save it and collect it. Thank you for your help today.
You're welcome.
All right, let's go check out the rest of the garden.
Okay. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And God bless you.